Toki, nasin seme la sina kama pona tawa ilo toki mi, opana inimi kulupu. This is Toki Pana, a language with only 123 words. In 2001, Sonia Lang created Toki Pana. The idea was to create a central language that you could learn in just over a day, allowing us to communicate with other people who speak a different language than us, thus eliminating the language barrier. There have been multiple attempts at doing this, Esperanto being the most famous one. But what makes Toki Pana so special? First of all, it only has 14 letters. 9 consonants, universal consonants used in every language, as well as the 5 Latin vowels A, E, I, O, and U. But with only 14 letters, it is hard to pronounce words, particularly names, that have letters that are not in the Toki Pana alphabet, so they have to use similar sounding letters to replace them. For example, the word Dallas, since D is not in the alphabet, they would have to use a different letter like T to say Talus. Also, there are no clusters allowed. For example, the word sweet is sui. A vowel replaces the swa with u. There are no tenses, genders, or numbers. There are only 3 numbers in Toki Pana. 1, which equals 1, 2, 2, and moot, which equals many. So 3 to infinity is just moot. Toki Pana takes vocabulary from a variety of different languages. Toki Pana has only 123 words in its entire dictionary, which is very small compared to English's more than 1 million words. Words have multiple meanings. For example, coot, which means ear, but also means to listen, pay attention to, and to even obey. But how do you tell the difference? You just have to pay attention to context clues. But they also have to combine words to make new words. For example, since there is no word for car, can combine toma, which means structure, house or building, and tawa, which means moving, which translates to moving structure. You also have to get creative when describing stuff. For example, if I want to say the nice rabbit is cooking me chocolate chip cookies, which translates to divine hopping creature is food creating me circular divine object with wood coloring circular divine objects. Tokitama writes in a pictograms called still in Pana. All 123 words have their own symbol. You can combine these symbols to make new words, which makes it much easier since you don't need to know how to spell, you just need to memorize the symbols.